If you want to unlink your Deezer account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are separated. This process will help you manage your music preferences without relying on Facebook. Step 1. Open Deezer app or website. Launch the Deezer app on your device or visit the Deezer website on your browser. Make sure you are logged into your Deezer account. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Navigate to your account settings. On the app, you can usually find this option in the menu, while on the website, look for your profile icon in the top right corner. Step 3. Access linked accounts. In the account settings, look for a section labeled Linked Accounts or Connections. This is where you can manage any social media accounts linked to your Deezer profile. Step 4. Unlink Facebook. Find the option for Facebook in the Linked Accounts section. There should be an option to unlink or disconnect your Facebook account. Click on this option to proceed. Step 5. Confirm the action. A confirmation prompt may appear asking if you are sure you want to unlink your Facebook account. Confirm your choice to complete the process. Now your Deezer account is unlinked from Facebook, allowing you to enjoy your music without any social media connections. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to Deezer support.